sponsored by Steve Jobs. Yeah, this YouTube shit paying off, my boy. What's good? Welcome back. It's Coco El Mecánica. ¿Cómo está, man? ¿Cómo está? It's the same. How we doing? You guys know the routine by now. So, what are we doing in this video? What is the plan? What is the vibe? As we've seen from the last video, we did some LED upgrades to the front of the vehicle, and we're gonna keep on that theme. We got the corner lights, we got the fog lights. I'm only missing one thing. We need headlights. And luckily for y'all, and me too, of course, I got them. The infamous C5 Corvette KnightDrive TV lights. Son, I ordered these November 29th, 2021. Yes, no. Yeah, it's a little outdated, but hopefully they still work. So enough talking. Let's check them out. I probably just broke the whole shit right now, didn't I? A ver. Here we are, guys. Let's do a quick unboxing. Like I said, I got these November 20. I put the order in November 2021, bro. So this is probably, ew. Let's see if this shit still got some smell to it. We're gonna check it out later. Oh, you packed it up nice. Okay, my boy. Damn, what's all that shit? All right. Damn, look at the shit all scattered up. Oh, nah. What's this? Ooh, sticker? I'll take that personal if you ever watch this video, which you probably won't. But let's see what we have. Let me be careful, because if I break this shit, I'm about to break myself.
Okay.
KnightDrive TV headlights. Let's see what we have. All right. Check it out. Aye. And to be honest, y'all, this is my first time really looking at it, because I've been bought it, but I never really took it out because I wanted to wait and kind of do everything all together. So here we go. That looks good. And we got these two stoppers here, I think. I don't even know how to install these. I'm in trouble. And of course, he got the new install video, but I got the old kit. So RIP me, I guess. This looks like it's going to be important. I'm just going to go ahead and eat that.
Nice.
And the other side. All right. Damn, the plastic's all off. No manchas. Let's pretend I was like that. Diablo, the other one too. Stop. Here they are. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. So let's us begin. Man, this is a joke? This is all the pieces? Man, I'm gonna have this installed in about 5-10 minutes. Right? Here we go, guys. We got everything. I'm gonna put these in and then do a first impressions, maybe a review kind of thing, and just overall give you an opinion on how they look. So enough of the talking. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna try and do this. So the next time y'all see me will probably be after I'm done, unless I don't. That's not a joke. We don't joke about that on the channel.
A few moments later.
I figure we should get some baseline stock like comparison. We're in the coupe. This is the before with the 20-year-old busted, crusty, dog-ass, bullshit-ass halogen lights. So right now, this is just the fog lights with the new LED corner lights. Here are the headlights up. Trash, man. These are trash. And then, high beams. Outside look. High beam outside look. Oops. Uh-oh.
A few moments later.
Yup. It's about that time, finally. For to put the headlights in, you know. Got a little creative. What's the saying? Another man's garbanzo beans is another man's hummus type shit. Huh? So, yeah, got everything I need should be set up right here. Got the lights, the hardware. Got my tools, got my speaker to sit down on. And Wish me luck.
Hi, how are ya? How are ya?
You got both of them in there? Yeah, sorry guys, I got my intern behind the camera. Making around $3.50 an hour, so we're gonna have her for a while. We got one side done, looking sleepy, you feel me? Now I'm about to tackle the next side. We're not gonna talk about how long that took. We'll just pretend that it was 5 to 15 seconds. Wait, hold up, not yet. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Sorry about that, my intern is acting up. Yeah? $3.50 not enough for you, huh? Then get walking. Oh shit. Close it. Close it.
2,000 years later.
What's going on? Welcome back. We're now outside. The lights are installed. Let's get some proper top tier before action. A ver. Corner lights with the fog lights. Remember how this looked. Muy bien, muy bien. Now. Ooh. Okay. We got the LED corner lights, fog lights, and we have the KnightDriveTV headlights on right now. Plenty light. Now we're gonna pop the high beams on. Damn. Okay. And outside look. This is the outside look, and mind you, I have a little bit of adjusting to do on the other one, so not full glory, but you can get a good vibe. Right now we have the KnightDrive headlights on. We got the Vette Lights, corner lights, and fog lights on. And the output is extreme, bro. And it just looks way better. Way better. Go ahead and pop the high beams on. The high beams are on now. Let the whole joint, son. Take a look. Yes, sir. Those are extraordinarily bright. Holy cow. What's good? Nighttime views. Right now we got the headlights on with the corner lights and the fog lights. We're gonna put the high beams on. Shit. This ain't self-driving. It is a big major improvement over stock, man. If you still rocking with the halogens, what the fuck is he doing? You bugging. Super bright. Just turn to McDonald's, bro. Fuck. That McChicken's waiting for you, nigga. Pull up, nigga. Alright, but that will conclude the after. Just a brief example. No lights to lights. Mega bright with the high beams on.
Damn, we light up the night sky right now. Type shit.
So, hell to the yeah. If you don't have them yet, buy them. That's it.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Yep, you guessed it. Guess who forgot to close out the video?
Idiot!
But in any event, the video's over. Final impressions, bro, they're fire. The lights are fire. If you still rocking halogens, wake up! It's 2023. No justice for the streets. Get you these KnightDrive lights. What is you doing? LED, halos. I mean, it's all the fire. What else could you more? What more could you possibly want or ask for? And they're good at night, man. So overall, it's a great looking light, and the function is there. And he's very responsive too. So if you have questions, your concerns, you literally can call him. I called him when I broke my shit, and he literally answered. So overall, great product, great service, and definitely recommend you buy them. And also, keep in mind, it may not look that exciting for my car because I do have my windshield tinted, but the lights are very bright, so I'd get them if I were you.